Hello my lovelies, Dee here. Hope everyone's doing fantastic like always. So what we have here is our quick unboxing of our May Premium SketchBox. And each box covers a features art, and for this month it's by Meg Walker. I'm sure she would appreciate it if you check her Instagram account to just show support for her artwork. So now let's see what we got. First we have the link for SketchBox School. Then also every month SketchBox do a featured artist, and for this month it's Anna. I'm not even gonna try pronouncing her last name because I don't want to butcher it. And that's a sample of her work, which is a skeleton dog. It's really cute in some gothic way. And we also have our item list, but we're just gonna put it on the side. We have a SketchBox sticker and a whole lot of this I'm not really sure what it's called, crinkled paper I think, but let's dig in. So the first item that I got is this Touch Twin Brush Marker by Shin Han Art. It's made in Korea. And this marker features a flexible fiber brush nib on one end and a medium broad graphic chisel nib on the other. And we actually got two of them in different color from the Earthy palette, I think. And let me just focus this a little. Let's see here. There you go. So we got two different color. One is pale green and the other is called terracotta. It's my first time seeing this brush marker, so I'm really curious how this one works. Then after that, we got two Copic markers. My gosh, I'm so excited. I've always wanted to try Copic markers, but I never got around in getting them. So now I got two. So the first one is an original Copic marker in mint green. It has a broad graphic chisel nib on one end and a small bullet nib on the other. Then the second one is called excuse me, is called a Copic sketch marker, and this one is in color shock pink. It is similar to the Touch Twin markers with having both a chisel nib and a brush tip. I'm so excited to try them both though, because I think both of them has different features and somewhat. And after that, what we got is this Prismacolor Premier in sand color. This is made by Sanford. This one is very similar to the original Copic marker, that it have both the fine nib on one end and also a medium wide chisel nib on the other end. And this one, I think this one is made in US. So I think we're having like items in all different part of the world. Then we have here is the Derwent drawing pencil in color Chinese white. This drawing pencil is so soft and creamy that you can actually draw lines on your skin, as you can see here. So that means you can easily draw on top of any markers. Then lastly, what we have here is another item by Shin Han Art, and it's called Touch Liner Brush, and it's in color black, as you can see there. Its brush tip is Japanese inspired nib and is perfect for outlining any kind of illustration. And that's about it. That's the last of it. There's no more in the box. So this is our May Premium box. You definitely got your money's worth with all this high quality product with 3 Shin Han Art items. And we also got 2 Copic markers, 1 Prismacolor, and of course our Derwent drawing pencil. And if you'd like to see how I've used them, I'll put a link on my sketch video down below. Plus, don't forget to like and subscribe for more video. And remember, you guys are awesome! Bye-bye!